Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create user with home directory using GUI mode in Oracle Linux 9 operating system. So without using command, using graphical user interface, you can create the users. So open settings, you can see left menu users will be, click that one. So it will ask for unlock the, after clicking the unlock button, it will ask for a root username password. So after providing the root password, you can see that add user button is enabled here. So after clicking the add user button, you can create or add user. Okay, so I am creating a new user called Java Forum. I am setting the password for that user. Please provide the strong password. Okay, now click the add button. Yes, so everything is done in graphical user interface itself. No need to type any command. Okay, now I am going to log off current user. So newly created user is appearing. So let me log into that newly created user. So now let me open the file browser. Yes, you can see home directory is there. So you can create or add user with home directory using graphical user interface in Oracle Linux 9.